Hello? Hello, may meeting ako rito. Saan ba napupunta? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good morning! Hi, good morning!
Hi, Betty!
Hi, I'm Betty Pool.
Yeah, hello, Chappy, hello. Ano yun? Di kita maintindihan eh. Sino bang walang signal? Ako, ikaw? Hello? Hello?
Sir, delivery ako.
Hello? Anong kausap ko?
Thank you. Thank you.
O, Betty, para sa'yo.
Thank you.
Buisit! Tangalit ako, tutulog.
Eto na! Eto na! Eto na!
Hello?
I'm looking for Mr. Armando Solis.
Sir Armando.
Hello, Chappy.
Sir Armando. Sir Armando.
Macho! Guapito raw
Yes, good morning.
ngunit isip ko naman.
Mr. Gokongwei, how are you? Mr. Solis, I heard you're the best ad agency in the Philippines. Of course. What can I do for you? I want you to make some commercials for me.
Excuse me. Hello. Chappy, hello. Chappy, hello.
Sir Armando. Ready na po kami.
Macho! Guapito raw ako.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
This is a big client. Prepare your concept tomorrow. Thank you. Good morning. We will present you the concept.
Where's my favorite robot shirt?
Be fit to a T with Nature's Harvest Fat. The cool juice drink without carnitine that helps burn fat and fiber that helps flush fat away. For a fabulous body, it's fun to be fat.
Sir, I would like to present to you our first concept. Papa! Where's my favorite shirt?
Be fit to a T with Nature's Harvest Fat. The cool juice drink without carnitine that helps burn fat and fiber that helps flush fat away. For a fabulous body, it's fun to be fat.
Isang eksena sa buhay nating mga nanay. Pasok, Paolo!
Hindi ako natanggap.
We know what to do, diba? Ulam. Puso. Sarapin ang eksena. Labasan ko. Spotlight! Music! Kain! Mag-cook! Smile!
Mag-artista kaya ako.
May future ka. Kaya sa panahon to.
Hello. Sir, I would like to present to you our second concept.
Isang eksena sa buhay nating mga nanay.
Pasok, Jeno!
Hindi ako tanggap. Kasi,
We know what to do, di ba? Ulam! Uso! Masagapin ang eksena. Ilabasan ko. Spotlight! Music! Kain! Mag-coke! Smile!
magarasta kaya ako.
May future ka!
Bagay sa'yo, anak!
Sabi sa inyo, hindi ako mag-get na
Dapat ang gamot mo nagmamadali, hindi ikaw. Kaya mag-Loperamide Diatabs. Nothing stops LBM faster.
This is our third concept.
Dapat ang gamot mo nagmamadali, hindi ikaw. Kaya mag-Loperamide Diatabs. Nothing stops LBM faster.
Can you please connect me to the office of Mr. Gomez?
Sigue, gastos, gastos ng gastos. 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 Sigue, gastos.
Naiinis ka na ba sa Demetrong tawag? Magbayan Wireless Landline. For as low as 17 pesos per day, you can enjoy unlimited landline calls.
Hello? Sir, this is last concept.
Can you please connect me to the office of Mr. Trujillo?
Sigue, gastos, gastos ng gastos. 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 Sigue.
Beautiful! I love it! Congratulations!
Thank you, sir.
Congrats!
Kapit kamay, tayong dalawa. Nakangiti